For decades, the attack helicopter was the undisputed king of the battlefield. The AH-64 Apache, the Mi-28 Havoc, flying tanks that could shred enemy armor, provide close air support, and strike fear into any ground force. But now, a new predator haunts the skies, and it costs less than a used smartphone. Meet the FPV drone. First-person view, plastic frame, consumer-grade electronics, total price, maybe $500. Yet in Ukraine, in the Middle East, and on training ranges around the world, these tiny machines are doing what surface-to-air missiles often couldn't. They are killing multi-million-dollar helicopters. Let's talk about the math. One AH-64 Apache costs roughly $35 million. A single Russian Ka-52 Alligator, even more. Now imagine as war MAF-20 FPV drones. Total cost, $10,000. If just one of those drones hits the tail rotor, the engine intake, or the cockpit, that $35 million helicopter is falling out of the sky. That is the new reality of asymmetric warfare. Expensive, sophisticated platforms are being defeated by cheap, expendable, and easily produced alternatives. So why are helicopters so vulnerable? Speed, agility, but not in the way you think. A drone can hide behind a tree, pop up at the last second, and accelerate directly into a helicopter's most fragile parts. Helicopters have thin armor on their rotors and engines. They are not designed to take hits from above or below. And modern manpads, shoulder-fired missiles, were already a threat. Drones add a new dimension. They are silent, small, and hard to jam using traditional methods. Does this mean the end of the attack helicopter? Not yet. Militaries are adapting. Future helicopters will carry electronic warfare suites that fry drone signals. Some will mount anti-drone lasers. Others will deploy their own small drone loyal wingmen to clear the skies ahead of them. The helicopter isn't dead, but its days of ruling the battlefield uncontested are over. The lesson is clear. In modern war, the most dangerous weapon isn't always the most expensive one. Sometimes it's the one you can afford to lose.